Hello! Today I'm going to show you how easy it's to clean up my table. Let's go! So I'm already busy here, but I won't give away all the details right away. Just know this. Sometimes the smallest things can completely change the vibe at home. By the way, don't forget to check the link in my channel below. There is so much more of my content waiting for you there. You know what is so important to keep things tight from time to time? Because the table is where everything happens. Breakfast, work, studying, heading out. And when it's clean, the room will just feel lighter. Personally, I try to wipe it down at least once a day, and even more often when things get busy. My little tips: spend 5 minutes now and you'll save yourself the hassle of scrubbing stains later. While I'm still keeping this fresh around here, I just want you to remember how good it feels to come back to a clean space. It's like a mini therapy for your brain. Alright class, time to rhyme it up, but I don't think this is the end. There is so much more fun coming soon. Stay tuned and bye bye.